6. 1. Enable or disable Steam input. 1. Go to Steam Library, Wuchang, Properties, Controller. 2. Under Use Default Settings, try switching between Enable Steam Input, Disable Steam Input for PS controllers. 3. Relaunch the game after changing this. 2. Launch game via Big Picture Mode. Press Shift-Tab, open Big Picture Mode. Go to Library, Wuchang, Manage Game, Controller Configuration. Select or customize a layout that matches your controller. 3. Reconnect controller before launching. Unplug and reconnect your controller before launching the game. Avoid hot plugging after the game has already started. UE5 often fails to detect new devices mid-session. Force controller mode via launch option. In Steam, Wuchang, Properties, Launch Options, enter. You can see the code in our conversation history. Ha5. Update USB drivers and firmware. Open Device Manager. Human Interface Devices. Right-click your controller and select Update Driver. For Xbox or PS5 controllers, update firmware using Xbox Accessories app, Microsoft Store, PS5 firmware updater tool from Sony. 6. Check config file, Unreal Engine override. Navigate to You can see the code in our conversation history. Open the file and ensure it contains You can see the code in our conversation history. If not, add it manually and save the file. This should fix most controller gamepad issues in Wuchang.